my video, I am Miss Dela will be explain about how to measure the area of leaf. Before I start the measuring of leaf, I have a video. Let's watching the video.
Good day, learners. This is Easy Engineering. This time, we are going to talk about units and physical quantities. To begin with, let me give you some common examples. If I say, I am weighing 80 kilograms, I am 20 minutes early. That is 10 meters long. But the question is, what is 80 kilograms? What is 20 minutes? And what is 10 meters? We all know that 80 kg refers to mass, 20 minutes refers to time, and 10 meters refers to length. These are some common physical quantity that we humans use in our daily living. Let me tell you more about physical quantities. So, what are physical quantities? We can define this as anything that humans can measure. Bear in mind that every physical quantity has two important parts, namely, its magnitude and unit. Going back to the example I gave previously, the first example was, I am weighing 80 kilograms. 80 is a numerical value. So this is the magnitude, and kilogram is the unit. The next example was, I am 20 minutes early. Same goes for 20. 20 is the magnitude, and minutes is the unit. And the last example was, that is 10 meters long. So, 10 is the magnitude and meters is the unit. Physical quantities are divided into two categories. These are the base quantities and derived quantities. Physics acknowledges that there are 7 base quantities. Namely, these are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. On the other hand, derived quantities are derived from base quantities or combination of base quantities. To name some, these are area, volume, speed, acceleration, and many more. Furthermore, there are two major systems of units used in the world: SI units and English units. English units are used in nations that once ruled by British Empire. Meanwhile, here in the Philippines, we use SI units. The SI unit for base quantities such as length is meter, mass is kilogram, time is second, electric current is ampere, temperature is Kelvin, amount of substance is mole, and luminous intensity is candela. So that is all for now. I hope you learned something today. And once again, this is Easy Engineering.
After watching the video, we are knowing there are two types of quantities. What is the first? Yes, that's right. The first is base quantity. And what is the second? Yes, that's right. The second is derived quantity. Then, I have a question. What kind of quantity the area is and what is the unit of area? Oh, that's right.
The area is a derived quantity and the unit of area is meter square.
Why the area call it derived quantity? Because in the area there are multiplication process based on area formula of each two-dimensional figure. So, let's start to measure the area of leaf.
There are tools and materials. The first is millimeter paper, two types of leaves, ruler, and pencil. What material that you need to measure it easily? We are using millimeter paper or millimeter box. Put a ruler on the paper to check and make sure how many squares are taken to fill 1 centimeter. We are using good leaf first. Put a leaf on the top of paper, but you must put a leaf around the center of paper. Utilize your fingers to hold the leaf so it doesn't move. Draw the pattern of leaf on the paper by using pencil. Count the box of paper that broke by the pattern of leaf before. If the box are fulfill one box by the pattern of leaf, so we count it 1 centimeter square. But if the box are half fill on the box by the pattern of leaf, so we count it half centimeter square. The second, we are using papaya leaf. Do the same process on the second leaf. So in here, there are two results. The first is the area of good leaf, and the second is the area of papaya leaf. We can conclude that leaf is an object that have an irregular shape. For measuring the area of leaf, we need millimeter paper or millimeter box to make the measuring easily. Whatever the types of leaves, the method is same. The measuring of leaf is finished. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.